How to reset password. Are you guys facing issues to reset password on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To reset password on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Just simply tap on your profile icon. After click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface. Now just simply head over to the settings section and click on security. After click on security, you'll be provided with options like change password, reset password, and 2FA. Click on the second option, reset password. Over here, just simply enter the current passcode that you used or created before to create this account. Once you write it down, then you will be able to reset your password. That's it guys, that's how you're going to reset passcode on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.